Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, June 2nd, 2015. We had some pretty impressive rainfall last night into early this morning, and we're going to continue to have a rather wet forecast period throughout much of this upcoming week with the threat for showers. But the good news is that I think the impressive heavy downpours that we've been seeing over the past 24 hours will be coming to an end, and we'll be dealing with, although wet conditions, nowhere near the downpours we've been seeing since yesterday afternoon, with rainfall rates of 1 to, in some cases, 3 inches per hour in some thunderstorms. But the good news is that, again, we're moving away from that type of scenario to more of a light to moderate rainfall over the region over the next 24 hours. And again, it returns once again for the end of the week. For Thursday and Friday and even Saturday, it looks like we're going to be dealing with some showers throughout the region. So let's take a look at the observations. We have temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the immediate coast of the New York City metropolitan area, and mid to upper 50s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area with a northeasterly wind anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour. This northeasterly wind is a sign that our cold front has pushed well to the south of the northern mid-Atlantic, and as a result, we are well within the marine polar hybrid air mass, pretty much a marine air mass at this point. And that means that temperatures are not going to be moving all that much today. We're talking about temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for highs in New York City, and in the Philadelphia metro, lower to mid 60s, with a threat of showers throughout the day, improving slightly towards the evening, and then tomorrow we dry out, but still cloudy, and then the showers come back on Thursday. So let's take a look at this forecast. First of all, with the radar, again, we're going to be dealing with showers throughout the day today, but the heavy, impressive downpours are now over. We still have some moderate to heavy rainfall that's going to be lifting up through southern and central New Jersey for this morning. But for the most part, this is a traditional light to moderate rainfall, not a scenario where you're getting 1, 2, 3 inches per hour, but more of a quarter of an inch an hour or so with some of these heavier downpours here. And you can see the trend here is that they're gradually weakening as the lifting and the driving mechanisms of those intense heavy downpours is starting to leave the region as our tropical connection is shifted out into the Atlantic. Still, a rather raw day is underway with showers, low clouds, fog, and drizzle in between the steadier rainfall. So definitely need an umbrella today. Tomorrow, well, it won't be that bad. There'll still be a threat for an isolated shower here or there, but for the most part we're dealing with cloudy conditions and fog and possibly some drizzle, especially in the morning hours. The infrared satellite picture really sets up what is happening for the rest of this week rather nicely. Here's our stationary front, okay? Now, as you can see, it has dropped to the south of the Philadelphia metro and, of course, the New York City metro. And we have waves of low pressure along this stationary front. Now, for today, another wave is going to move through with some scattered showers, but again, no very heavy rainfall. Meanwhile, we have our upper level low that is kind of spinning here around the Tennessee River Valley. That's going to kind of meander around the Tennessee River Valley and around the Piedmont for the next 4 days. Meanwhile, this high pressure system is going to shift towards Maine. So what's going to happen is that this high pressure system will build towards Maine, push this front a little bit further south tomorrow, leading to drier conditions for tomorrow. Then this upper level low will shift a little bit closer towards Virginia, force this stationary front a little bit further north, and lead to the threat for scattered showers for Thursday, Friday, and then this cold front back here comes through on Saturday with additional showers and possibly a few thunderstorms. We get our really one nice day on Sunday with clearing skies and temperatures slightly above normal. They're going to be around the mid to upper 70s in the New York City metro and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Philadelphia metro, so about maybe a degree above normal. But the key here is that it will be dry and sunny, and then, well, showers return on Monday once again with another cold front that looks like to be a slow mover. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State UL website using the European model guidance. Again, for today, the stationary front lingers off the coast. Look for showers and a rather raw day with temperatures in the mid to upper 50s in the New York City metro and lower to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metro. For tomorrow, scattered showers will be suppressed to the south as high pressure builds in towards the Gulf of Maine. Look for overcast skies, some fog, possibly some drizzle. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s, high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s for the entire region. On Thursday, our stationary front shifts a little bit further north. Look for a threat for showers. Low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, high temperatures in the mid 60s in the New York City metropolitan area, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Friday, scattered showers linger with our stationary front lingering around the region with a few waves of low pressure moving through. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s in the New York City metropolitan area, and mid to upper 70s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. On Saturday, a cold front will approach the region with showers and a few thunderstorms. Again, this cold front isn't all that impressive, but it does bear watching for a few strong thunderstorms. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, high temperatures in the mid 70s in the New York City metro, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Philadelphia metro. On Sunday, high pressure builds in very briefly, with temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, and high temperatures in the mid 70s in the New York City metro and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Philadelphia metro. Again, this is pretty much our only day where we'll actually see a good deal of sun as this high pressure system takes hold for a short time. Then on Monday, another cold front moves through with showers and thunderstorms. It's going to get a little bit warm ahead of this cold front, with low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s and high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s in the New York City metro and lower to mid 80s in the Philadelphia metro. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.